Hey guys, it's Dr. Patterson here. We're here today at Patterson Chiropractic, and we wanted to demonstrate for you how an activator adjustment works versus a manual chiropractic adjustment. And so with us today is Laura, and Laura is a team member here at Patterson Chiropractic, but before she was actually a patient here in the office. And so Laura, why don't you tell us a little bit about what brought you to our office initially?
Well, years ago, I was part of a nursing team, and I had a couple of serious neck injuries, and started with a manual adjuster. And then when we moved to Tennessee, I was in pretty bad shape, and started looking for a new chiropractor, and was hurt by one, found another one that it was almost violent, like it hurt. I hurt worse. I hurt worse when I left. So I had just gotten, when I found Dr. Patterson, I found a little flyer or something. It was an advertisement. And I was so miserable. I was nauseous. I couldn't think straight. I was in pain all the time, just miserable. And I came because it was just like, okay, I've got to do something. And I came, and immediately with his adjustment, I felt relief. He has never hurt me. I have never had to have surgery, and I live a very active, normal life.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Very cool. So guys, what we're going to do today is give you a demonstration on how we make an adjustment to the neck. So if you like, just follow us along here. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to make an adjustment on Laura's neck here. So this is an activator instrument. It's my handheld tool. It allows me to be real precise, real specific, which takes away the need to twist and pop the neck. So come on in. We're going to turn the instrument down. It's on the highest setting right now. We're going to turn it down to the 2 setting. And we've identified that Laura needs to be adjusted right here. Does that feel tender right there?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to come in here and make an adjustment just like that. Okay. Now we're going to check, make sure that took, and perfect. All right, Laura, tuck your chin to your chest and put it right back. Now we're going to come up here, and we've identified that Laura actually needs an adjustment also on the top right-hand side of her neck, just like this. I'm going to check one more thing here. That's actually okay. Laura, go ahead and press your face down into the table and relax. That's as good as well. Okay. So there you have it, guys. It's as easy as that when making an adjustment to the neck. Now, obviously, everybody's different, and so people are going to have different or need different things, but with Laura, that clears her right out. All right, guys. So that was an adjustment to the neck. Very easy. How did that feel?
Felt great.
Awesome. Was it scary? Did you feel any pain?
Wasn't scary, and I love it because I don't even have to tell him where I hurt. I mean, it's helpful, I guess, if I do, but sometimes I just don't, and he finds them anyway.
Perfect.
Yeah, and it feels great. I feel great. It doesn't hurt. He's never hurt me.
Awesome. Thanks for being our helper today, our model today. And guys, if any of that sounds like something you would be interested in, just shoot us a message, give us a call. Thanks a lot.